Will fighter jets even exist in 20 years? Or are they already obsolete? Drones are cheaper, harder to detect, and can swarm. AI pilots are already beating human fighter pilots in simulators. Hypersonic missiles travel so fast, even the best jets can't dodge them. Militaries are asking, why spend 100 million on a jet when a 10K drone can do the job? The age of the fighter pilot might be ending, or just evolving into something new. What do you think? Subscribe for more military myths and future tech. Future.